In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the process of setting up two-factor authentication or 2FA on your social media accounts, specifically focusing on Facebook and Instagram. You might be wondering why this is important. Well, two-factor authentication is one of the best ways to amp up your online security. It adds an extra layer of protection to your accounts by requiring not only your password but also a code from your phone or an authentication app. This means that even if someone manages to get a hold of your password, they won't be able to access your account without this second factor, the 2FA code. Let's dive into how you can enable this feature on Facebook and Instagram. We'll start by logging into your Facebook account. Once you're logged in, you need to go to Settings and Privacy. You can find this option by clicking on the small arrow or circle icon that is typically located in the top right-hand corner of your Facebook page. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings and Privacy, and then proceed to Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, it's time to enter the Account Center. This is where you manage various aspects of your Facebook account, including your security settings. In this section, you'll want to click on Password and Security. It's in this area that you have the opportunity to strengthen your account's defenses by setting up 2FA. Click on two-factor authentication. This option will direct you to a new page where you can begin setting up this enhanced security measure. You're almost there for Facebook. You'll see the option to set up 2FA for Facebook, and go ahead and follow the on-screen steps. These will guide you through the process, which typically involves choosing your method of authentication, such as using an authentication app or receiving codes via text message. Now let's move on to Instagram. Fortunately, Instagram's process is quite similar, and you'll also manage this through the Account Center. In two-factor authentication, find Instagram and again, follow the on-screen steps provided to enable this security feature. During this setup, similar choices will be offered to you and you will decide whether you'd like to receive codes through a text message, an app, or even some other alternative methods that might be available. Setting up 2FA does not just offer peace of mind, it's a crucial step in ensuring that you're safeguarding your online identity against unauthorized access. By spending just a few minutes enabling this feature, you're actively taking a stand against potential security threats. Thank you for watching, and be sure to apply these steps regularly whenever you join new platforms or feel you need an additional layer of protection. Keep your digital life secure and safe.